A montage of homes, commercial properties, and people handing over keys. Narrator. Real estate investing. It's one of the most popular ways to build wealth, but is it right for you? Whether you're dreaming of passive income or curious about flipping houses, real estate can be a powerful financial tool. In this video, we'll break down the basics of real estate investing, the pros and cons, and the different ways you can start today, even if you're a beginner. Let's find out if real estate investing is the right move for you. Title screen: The basics of real estate investing. Is it right for you? Part 1. What is real estate investing? Narrator. Let's start with the basics. What is real estate investing? Simply put, it's buying, owning, managing, or selling property for profit. Unlike stocks or bonds, real estate is a tangible asset. You can see it, touch it, and in some cases live in it. Visual aid. Show a property being purchased and later rented out or sold for profit. Narrator. Real estate investing comes in many forms, from residential properties and commercial buildings to land and real estate investment trusts, REITs. We'll explore all of these later in the video. Part 2. Why invest in real estate? Narrator. So, why is real estate such a popular investment? Here are 3 key reasons. 1. Wealth building and equity. As you pay off your mortgage, you build equity, which is the portion of the property you truly own. Over time, that equity can grow as property values increase. 2. Cash flow. If you rent out a property, the rental income can provide consistent cash flow, covering expenses and generating profit. 3. Tax benefits. Real estate offers unique tax advantages, like deductions for mortgage interest, property taxes, and depreciation. Visual example. A breakdown showing how rental income can exceed property expenses, creating profit. Part 3. Different types of real estate investments. Narrator. Now that you know why people invest in real estate, let's talk about the different types of investments and how they work. 1. Residential properties. Narrator. Residential properties include single-family homes, duplexes, and apartments. They're great for beginners because they're easy to understand and manage. Pros. Stable demand for housing. Easier to finance with a traditional mortgage. Cons. High upfront costs for down payments and repairs. Tenant issues can arise, requiring time and effort to manage. 2. Commercial properties. Narrator. Commercial real estate involves properties used for business purposes, like offices, retail spaces, or warehouses. Pros. Higher income potential and longer lease terms. Tenants often cover property expenses. Cons. Requires more capital and expertise to manage. Vacancies can take longer to fill compared to residential properties. 3. House flipping. Narrator. House flipping is all about buying undervalued properties, renovating them, and selling for a profit. It's perfect for hands-on investors with an eye for design. Pros. Quick profits if done right. Opportunity to transform properties. Cons. High risk if renovation costs exceed budget. Fluctuations in the housing market can impact profitability. 4. REITs, real estate investment trusts. Narrator. Don't want the hassle of managing properties? REITs might be for you. They're companies that own or finance income-generating real estate, and you can buy shares just like stocks. Pros. Low barrier to entry and high liquidity. Diversified exposure to real estate. Cons. Subject to market volatility, like stocks. No control over property management decisions. Part 4. Pros and cons of real estate investing. Narrator. Like any investment, real estate has its advantages and challenges. Let's break them down. Pros. 1. Tangible asset with intrinsic value. 2. Potential for passive income and long-term appreciation. 3. Diversifies your investment portfolio. Cons. 1. High upfront costs for purchasing property. 2. Market fluctuations can impact property values. 3. Requires time and effort to manage. Part 5. How to get started in real estate investing. Narrator. Feeling ready to dive in? Here's how to start your real estate investing journey. 1. Set your budget. Determine how much you can afford, including down payments, maintenance, and property management costs. 2. Choose your investment type. Start with something manageable, like a single-family rental or REITs, and expand as you gain experience. 3. Do your research. Study the local market to identify high-demand areas and property types. 4. Secure financing. Explore loan options, including conventional mortgages, FHA loans, or even partnerships. 5. Start small. You don't need to own an entire apartment complex to be a real estate investor. A single rental property can be a great starting point. Part 6. Common mistakes to avoid. Narrator. Real estate can be rewarding, but mistakes can be costly. Here are some common pitfalls to avoid. 1. Underestimating costs. Always budget for unexpected expenses like repairs and vacancies. 2. Skipping due diligence. Research properties thoroughly before buying to avoid hidden issues. 3. Over-leveraging. Avoid taking on too much debt, which can be risky during market downturns. 4. Neglecting management. If you don't have time to manage tenants or maintenance, consider hiring a property manager. Part 7. Is real estate right for you? Narrator. Now, let's answer the big question. Is real estate investing right for you? It depends on your goals, risk tolerance, and willingness to commit time and resources. If you value stable returns, hands-on involvement, and tangible assets, real estate could be a great fit. However, if you prefer low-maintenance investments, consider REITs or other asset classes. On-screen text, real estate. Risk plus reward equals your decision. Closing scene, recap, and call to action. Narrator. And there you have it, the basics of real estate investing. From rental properties to REITs, there's an option for everyone. Remember, success in real estate comes down to research, planning, and a willingness to learn. On-screen text, start your real estate journey today. Narrator. Which type of real estate investment interests you the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Tailored Money Matters, and hit the bell icon for more insights into investing and personal finance. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. End screen, subscribe, like, and follow links for additional resources.